Hi guys, as you can see, the key fob is now working because the battery is dead. And as I'm trying to open the door of this 2017 Civic Hatchback Sport Touring, usually there's a red light blinking on the remote, which transmits the signal. And I brought the owner's manual with me. So I will open it manually with the key. Here's the owner's manual. If you have one, you have to take a look on page 115, Handling the Unexpected. And if you don't have the manual, that's okay, because I'm going to show you anyway in this video on how to start the car even without the battery on the key fob. I'm going to press the brake first. See the engine lights on, and then press it, right? That's the usual way to turn on the car. But since the battery is already dead, right? So I'll show you the message that's appearing on the dash. Okay, that's what it says. As you can see, still my foot is on the brake. I'll press the brake, start engine. It won't. The same message. To start, hold remote near start button. Okay, to start engine, brake push. Okay, there we go. As simple as that. Okay, so just in case you run out of battery, you got a dead battery. So I think it's always better if you're going to have a spare. And as you can see, the car runs even the key fob doesn't have a battery on it. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. And if you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you in our next video.